setja fugli heimsókn hverju sinni og annað. Hann teikinn varma stundar, teikinn vext og velferðar. I have a tale to tell about a bird that visits now and then. He is a sign of warmer times, sign of growth and prosperity. Stongveitir standa, ofan þeim bur ein maki. Heitir Geir, hafa tróður fótur og hann eta brauð. I know of a pole, on top of that lives a seagull. His name is Geir, he has a thread around his foot, and he eats bread. Geir var að borða brauð, lítaði einn lítið katt og vildi ráðast við hann. Geir sagði, viltu hafa flug í lífin hug? Kötti flúði. Geir was eating bread, then a little cat wanted to grab him. Geir said, do you want the flight of your life? The cat ran away. Stongveitir standa, ofan þeim bur ein maki. Heitir Geir, hafa tróður fótur og hann eta brauð. I know of a pole, on top of that lives a seagull. His name is Geir, he has a thread around his foot, and he eats bread. Geir hét blót, með makir stórum og smám. Þá kom ein örn og vildi berjast. Geir fór í skóginn, fann sverð. Þá fló hann eftir örninn, Geir vann. Geir was holding a feast with ghouls, big and small. Then an eagle came and wanted to fight. Geir went into the forest, found a sword. Then he flew after the eagle, Geir won. Stongveitir standa, ofan þeim bur ein maki. Heitir Geir, hafa tróður fótur og hann eta brauð. I know of a pole, on top of that lives a seagull. His name is Geir, he has a thread around his foot, and he eats bread.